Now, what I did not expect was for it to be working that good. That good. Whew, that good. Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks with another awesome video for you today. Before starting this video, I want to give you the wonderful benefits of celery and why we should start incorporating it into our daily recipes, into our lifestyle, drinking it on a regular basis. The benefits are definitely going to surprise you. So let's start this video right now. Now, one of the wonderful benefits of drinking celery is it's high in vitamin A, it's high in vitamin B1, B6, B2, and very high in vitamin C. Another wonderful benefit is that it's packed with sodium. Now, that may sound a little alarming, but although it is packed with sodium, it is also offsetted with high levels of potassium. And because of that, celery juice makes a great electrolyte replacement than those other unnatural drinks out there. Another wonderful benefit is it's an excellent source of fiber and folic acid. It also improves detoxification, which is one of the reasons why we are drinking this. So it's going to help to detoxify those pollutants, those toxins out of our body. Now, this is a great benefit for those of you who are on high blood pressure medications. Celery juice lowers your blood pressure. It gives the effect of calmness. So it's really good to drink this, especially if you're getting ready to enter into a nerve-wracking situation. So if you're feeling a little anxious or whatever, drink some celery juice for that calmness effect. Another great benefit is that it is great for the kidneys, and it acts as an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It also aids in the elimination of your body's waste through urination. So you're going to be going back and forth to the bathroom, flushing out your kidneys. Now, for all of you people who are trying to lose weight, don't even stress yourself, because one of the wonderful benefits of celery juice is the lack of calories. Now, celery contains almost 0 calories, so you can really stack up and eat as much as you want of celery. So drink as much celery juice as you want. You will not gain a pound. One of the most important benefits that I feel in drinking this is that it's also thought to prevent cancer because it contains a phytochemical compound known as coumarins. Coumarins lowers your blood pressure, tone the vascular system, and can sometimes also reduce migraines. And lastly, as far as the support of weight loss, celery juice also suppresses your appetite. So you will not feel hungry drinking celery juice. It's going to keep your hunger pangs at bay. Now, before starting the recipe, I just want to put a disclaimer out there. For those of you who have low blood pressure, please do not drink this juice because it's going to make your blood pressure even lower. And if you're trying to use this juice along on your weight loss journey, it's best that you drink this before each meal. So if you want to suppress that appetite so that you're not eating as much food, drink it before each meal because it suppresses your appetite. So that's going to help you along while you're eating your healthy meals because it's going to help keep that appetite at bay. All right, so let's go in the kitchen where I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful drink that's going to give your body all of the deliciousnesses. Okay, let's go. All right, you guys, so we are in the kitchen right now. Now, what I want to introduce to you is my juicer, okay? Now, I'm really going to be showing my age when I tell you what the name of this is, but this is my Jack LaLanne powerful juicer, okay? Now, I don't know if you guys of a certain age, but you know who I'm talking about when I say Jack LaLanne. Well, I've had this juicer for quite some time, hardly used it, and decided to really start putting it to work. All right, and I plan on doing a giveaway of a juicer pretty soon, so stay tuned for that video. But for now, we're going to be juicing. Now this is one pack of celery, okay, freshly scrubbed and washed. You must scrub your celery very good because celery has lots of dirt that embeds in between the stalks as it's on the batch, so you have to scrub that out really good before juicing. So let's start this video now. We're going to turn on the juicer. Now this is just the part that helps me to push my celery in, but for the most part we're just going to throw that in there. Alright, so I am finished. Now this, I love this juicer. I tell you, I don't know why I had it packed away for so long. Well, the fiber gets stored in here. All of the roughage, okay, goes straight in there. And you can easily use that. Like I can use that for soups, for sauces, freeze that for another day. It's not to go to waste. And here is the juice. Now it wasn't even a full stalk. It wasn't even a full pack of celery that allowed me to get 2 cups of this wonderful celery juice. All right, now I'm going to pour it in my favorite cup and I'll be right back. And here it is, you guys, this wonderful 16 ounces of celery juice, not even from a full pack of celery. And also I've been investing in these metal straws, so this also will be an item that I will be introducing onto my website soon. But these are a much healthier way to drink anything hot, cold, because that plastic is, you know, full of toxins. So we're going all the way as far as a healthy lifestyle. So let's check this out. Tastes like celery. It's okay, it's a required taste. If you like celery, then you will love this. But you can also spice it up and spruce it up to taste better. You can throw in a nice green apple, a red apple, something to give it a little more sweetness if you desire that Swedish taste. But it does taste a little salty, okay? But this is a wonderful item to add into your health journey. It's going to flush out your toxins. It's less, it really has 0 calories to it. So you can drink this all day. It's like drinking water, but with a lot of benefits, okay? It's going to strengthen your body, lower that blood pressure, lower that cholesterol, also lower that blood sugar level, okay? Celery water, you guys, delicious. Well, beneficial for your body. And if you can get past that taste, you're doing good. All right, so thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video on celery water and the wonderful health benefits that you will get once you start drinking this on a everyday level. And try this below, send a comment down, let me know how you like it, let me know what you've noticed after drinking this for, like, say 2 weeks. And yeah, share that down below in the comment section, okay? And until the next video, I will see you then. Hey you guys, this is the Velvet Locks coming back on camera with you. Whew, Lord have mercy. Listen, you guys. I didn't just finish drinking that celery juice or celery water, but I must let you know the reactions after drinking that celery water, okay? Now, what I did not expect was for it to be working that good. That good. Whew, that good. Now, this was my first day actually drinking that, and I can really see that I'm going to be implementing this in my morning routine on an empty stomach. The only thing that I don't know much about is how much, like, the effect that it will have right away. This was my first time, So I don't know if drinking this in the morning might be a good idea, but it's always good to start your detox on an empty stomach. My thing is, I travel and I drive. So if this thing is going to work the way it did today, I'm in trouble. Now, I could see possibly drinking this. Yeah. Listen, y'all. I don't know what your schedule or lifestyle is like. All I know is, thank goodness, I'm able to be home during the daytime in between me running around for my business. Because, man, that celery water. Whoa. It cleaned me out. It really was doing a number on me. And I've never thought that particular... I've heard of celery juice. I've never thought about drinking it. But let me tell y'all something. Do not skip on these natural fruits and vegetables. This celery water is a game changer. It does so much for your body, but I tell you, it detoxes your body as well. Okay, it will detox your body. You will be going, and you're gonna feel like a punch. That's what it felt like to me, like a punch in my stomach that showed me, oh, it's time to go. All right, so this is just an insert after that video, because after the video, it was done. Things was happening. Things was happening. Okay? Things was happening. So I was like, no. I got to come back and let you guys know, at least to warn you of what to expect after you drink this celery juice. Okay? So, whew, yes, it is good. It is really good. And you really need to try it. If anything, just try it one time. Just so that you can see how well this is going to work. This is a drink that I suggest you drinking every day. It's natural. You know, celery isn't that expensive. In New York, you can get 3 bundles for like, no, two bundles for $3. So it is really reasonable that you can actually stock up and drink this every day. I had a 16-ounce glass made with almost 1 full bushel. All right, so that 16 ounces did its job. And even if you do this every other day, if you don't want to do it every day, what I added into it was some apple. Okay, a green apple. I added that in there, and you don't know, but expect it when you least expect it. Okay, that's what me and my brothers used to say to each other when they were in trouble and we was gonna get each other. Expect it when you least expect it. Bye. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.